Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to roll back to previous version Windows 10 on your PC after you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Before starting, so I would like to check the version of my window on this PC. You right click on this PC on the desktop, or you can open the folder and right click on this PC on the left menu, select properties. It will open the About window. You take a look into window specification. We have the Edition Windows 11 Pro version is tab. So if you want to come back from Windows 11 to Windows 10, you have to click on the Start button and then select Settings. It will open up the Settings window. You type in the search box, find a setting. So here I will type in the recovery. You select the recovery options in the search result. It will open up the recoveries window. You take a look into second option. Go back to the previous version of Windows 10. You have to make sure you still not delete the window.o folder after you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. On my PC, I already deleted the window.o folder previously. That means for now, I cannot roll back from Windows 11 to Windows 10. In case if you still not delete the window.o folder on your PC, you can see the go back button. It will be enabled for you to click. But for now, on my PC, this button is already disabled. If you can click on go back button, so please have to follow step by step on the screen. It will be help you to go back to the previous version of Windows 10. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.